Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have another review for you guys, and it's gonna be on Gucci's Marmont Metallasi leather super mini bag in white chevron leather. It has the Gucci logo. It has the heart on the back. It has a chain with shoulder strap with 23.5-inch drop. It is 6.5 by 4 inches. It has this microfiber lining that feels super soft, more like suede. And then in here is the key ring that can attach another bag. You can attach this to another bag if you want to, because it's super mini, super cute. You could put your phone in here. You could also put your Gucci card case wallet. I'll put the link below to the review that I did on the Gucci card case wallet that I have. So the link will be there so you can look at the size of that one. But, you know, I typically do put my phone, my keys, and my wallet in here, and it fits. Right, here you go. So this is a very mini bag, okay? Super cute. And there will be pictures at the end of this video so you can see on how it looks when I put it on.